All right, so just want you to know we are putting the finishing touches, waiting for the boys and the girls to send me over their code and stuff like that, so I can put it inside of the game, and then you guys will be able to test it out in November, going into January. All right, so going into January, it will be test 5. That's when it's a little more public, and this goes out to basically with Saga doing their marketing thing and getting it out there. Okay, then test 5, we're going straight into test 6. Okay, so it's enough time for me to just make this one of the best games that you guys possibly played. Now, the stuff that you guys are going to go see inside of this devlog is going to explain the economy of just one part of the economy. By the way, just one part. I'll probably do different devlogs, and let me know if you want me to actually put out different devlogs about each part of the economy. Put in the comment section. I would definitely work on those type of videos and show you each and every part of each business and actually how they're ran and how they actually connect with each other and stuff, and how you can just be one of the people that is running around looting, doing some missions that have something to do with PvP, and then how you can actually contribute to building society again. All right, so that's one of the things. But right now, what I want to do is show you what I was working on yesterday in live. A shout out to the people that came to that. I want to show you the results of what I was working on yesterday, which is the electric company. All right, so we are in the screen now. This is just a full development build. Still missing a lot of the code waiting for my guys to turn in. So they'll be doing it very soon. As you can see, we're still building everything out for you guys, but we're building that world where you can tell that something happened here. So this is the neighborhood right here. I don't know what I'm naming it yet. We want to show you guys one of the economy features in here, and that economy feature is owning an electricity company. So all we wanted to do is we want to basically show how all the economy works together. All right, so how and it's basically what the game is about. The game is a role play game where everyone works together. So even the people that raid and PvP, all those guys work together with the people that's running the economy side, people that decorate, customize the guards. Everybody helps each other. So when it comes to the electricity company, um, you help um, the people who do raiding or people who have been working for somebody, or um, owning their own business and stuff like that. So when it comes to things like that, um, you owning an electricity company, you actually help those people because now they get to bring light to their house. And this is just one of the decoration features I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so this is not the movement. Just know this is not the movement. Um, Everything, again, when everybody turn their stuff in, I'll attach everything together, and then I'll put the game together, which I'm doing right now, and then I'm preparing for them to give me their stuff. So I'm preparing why they're giving everything to me, and then I'll package the game, put it on Steam, put it into the launcher, and you guys will be able to play. All right, so let's show the build feature when it comes to the electricity. So this is one of the decorations. Remember, there's only one of them, so it's another. Because when you own the house, you actually go and decorate the house however you want to do it. And that is a whole nother thing. I'll probably do a whole nother devlog, or I will let you guys make content on that. So this is a generator. You can put it up here. I wouldn't recommend putting it in the side of the house. In the future, how we're going to have it, where if you put the generators inside the house, they can kill you, or if you put them close to your house, they can kill you. So the best way is to put them out here. So what you want to do is you want to play like that. Okay, there you can see you turn it on, turn it off. And now what we're going to do is we're going to build. You can do solar panels, like you call it a solar panel company as well. You want to put the solar panel, so you can put the solar panel at the back of your house. So that here, here, like that. You got to make sure that the wire can fit. So we'll put it back here. And this is important for something I'm going to show you in a second. So we're going to put the solar panel right there. We're going to go around, and we're going to then we'll put traps, because you can set traps too as well. So we'll put a trap right here, and we'll put it in front of the door. But this is basically for, backyard stuff. Like, for example, if someone's trying to destroy your stuff, or whatever the case may be. We got splitters. These are good to help you make things get done in your home. So yes, you have to basically build your home. You have those. we got a light. We want to put the light right here. We have batteries. Batteries are very important. You can kind of put them up here. You can decorate however you want. So like there's two decorating systems. This system, and then you have another decoration system that's like just crazy. But this is just for like putting your house together when it comes to building. Because you can't build houses like from like ground up and stuff like that. You can only build when it comes to like setting it up from like decorations and like from this informant. We don't have a car battery. We don't need to use the car battery. That's why cars are very important because you can get car batteries from them and use them for resources for this here. We got the binder, the binder, bind these things together. So we put that down here. And then we have the power switch, which we'll put the power switch right here. Now, all we got to do is now connect all these things together. So when it comes to helping each other out, so for people that's going out there and finding things like, you know, looting and stuff, they can find scrap, all those type of things, sell it to the scrap yard. Scrap yard create parts for, you know, for the electric company to put these together. And I'll explain how all this works and come together now. So we're gonna grab the cables, and then we're gonna bring the cables here, and we're going to then put it together. So we're gonna put input, drag the cables. We can make it pretty, and we're gonna make it really nice looking because I've been messy with it. And we want to put this to the output. So as you can see, the cable is wiring right there. So boom, there. So we have that's the input, that's the output. So do the same thing as well. And cables are very important. So just know that. But cables are very important. And we can just put it here. Put it here. We already got it messed up. So let's put it here. Bring it this way. And you can decorate it however you want. This is up to you. Put it that way. You gotta remember, you don't have that many cables. Okay, so I think we're going to just put this. Okay, give me a second. Do that first. Let me grab the cables for myself. Grab the cables for myself. So let me see how I set this up. I don't know how I set this up. Oh, let me see. I think I'm really messy with this. Okay. And I don't think, okay, the splitters can't go into splitters. Okay, so we will go this way, this way, this way. We could bring it from here, bring it from here, bring it from here, and bring it there. Okay, so this still needs power. That's what we need to do. We need to get this thing power. So we're gonna put this here. We're gonna bring this over here, bring this here, bring this here, and then I'm only doing this so I can make it look nice. All right. So we need to bring this here, and I think I kind of messed up because, yeah, I think I messed up. Okay, so I need to actually hook this up to the battery. Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start over, and I'm gonna put it together real quick, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about because I actually messed up, and this is very important too, because you can also redo this, but I'm in the editor, and it would have taken me out of the game, so I'll just exit out. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna get back I'm gonna cut to it. All right, so it's pretty messy, but I got it done. All right, so now you see, as the generator, I can turn it off. Right, so I turn it off. And then you'll see that this battery no longer goes up. Now you see it going down. So its battery actually starts off pretty low, and the generator actually powers it up. So, you know, it's very important. So for people who basically start electric companies, you can basically tell how much generators should be costing you guys, right? So this keeps everything rolling. As you can see, turn the lights on. See? So let's turn this back on, and you'll start to see that this thing will start to go up. All right, now as you can see, I lost health, and the reason I lost health is because I went around the trap, and you see it went off again. So I think I haven't set the light up right. I've tried to set up the light. I haven't set it up right because this is actually missing the output here. So, as you can see, that this thing is required power, but it's running on nothing basically. So, like if I push this, as you can see, it'll still shoot at me, but it's running off of this right here. So. If this runs out of battery, this thing is done. So this runs on a server, so if you don't play the game, your stuff will deteriorate. So all this stuff will, you know, stop generating and stuff like that. So you will have to come get a new battery and all that type of stuff like that. So these things will happen. So you can set traps, and as you can see, if I step close, as you can see, it will kill me. All right, so. That's that right there. You can set up all types of things. Now you can see that since my body is there, this thing is going to be running, which is not good. Yeah. So since my body is there, okay, yeah, there you go. You're also starting to see the lights turning out. So you see it turning on and off due to the fact that the generator is, you know. So let me see. Wait, I think if you hit the button. Yeah, so if you hit the button, okay, so the button, it also turns the lights off. So I completely wired this wrong. Okay, so I wired my whole house wrong, which goes into another part of the economy. This can also be a job too. So somebody can actually hire people in the game that become good at this, right? As you can tell, I'm not good at this. I just put it together. You know, you can hire someone to actually correctly connect all this together, right? So this can actually be a job inside of the game where you can be an electrician. So you can be an electrician as well. So that's pretty a good thing as well. It's pretty cool. Another thing, now how do you gain skill sets, right? Where you can do things that other people can't. Now this character, it says I learned, it says I know how to create Piercing rounds, which I don't. This character doesn't. If I remove the save, this character wouldn't know how to create Piercing rounds. So you can learn now in the game. So you just put here and then you click and it will tell you that you learned. And it says craft recipe, learned how to create Piercing rounds. So books are very rare inside of the game. As you can see, I still have the book. So then you can take the book and then sell it because books are legends, basically legend class inside of the game. So you can take the book, sell it for a good price inside of the flea market, or you know, facilitate a deal with a person role playing. So you choose to do how you choose to do that. When it comes to other things such as electricians and stuff like that, you just basically have to show your skills. So when you're doing this stuff, we have a surprise when you test the game. I'm not going to show you how you can actually show people your work inside of the game. I want y'all to test the game. The next build to come out, I want y'all to test it, and you guys to see how you be able to show your work. All right, I want you to be able to see that. So you can show your work inside of the Discord, inside of Hiddenverse, and show your work and show, hey, this is what I've done. This is my electrician work, all types of stuff like that. If you guys want plumbing, let me know, and I'll put a plumbing system together too, also where you can work the water in your house as well. So let me know if you want plumbing and put it in the comment section. I'll figure out if I'm going to put it inside of the game, which I am going to put it. If most of the people want plumbing, you guys, we will put plumbing inside of the game as well. But yeah, so electrician work. You'll be able to show your work. I can tell from me putting this together here, as I hit this button, my damn light turned out, right? So you hit the button, lights go out. So once you sit on the button, the lights turn out. So that's bad. This is charged up, so you want to save the generator, and then you just want to turn it off because you don't want the generator to be running all the time. Yeah, so this is basically that right there. I just showed you two of the things right there. This is a part of the economy. one electrician, you have car crushing, you have damn near everything. Cooking, crafting, crafting clothes, crafting all types of stuff. All that's in the game. Every damn thing. Everything is basically in the game. We just got to put the auction house inside the game. And then technically, to tell you honest with you, all we gotta do is just add features. The game is basically done. When it comes to like putting the game together, the game is basically done after the auction house is put in and the blockchain feature. And then once those two things are put inside the game is finished basically. And then the rest, what I mean by finished is not finished as in we're done with the game. It's finished as in, okay, now all we gotta do is left is polish the game, make it look good, and then just work on features. For example, like theme parks, all that type of stuff like that. All the stuff that we would put inside of the game, all those type of things. And everything else is outside of the game. For example, like putting your own stuff in there, requesting those type of things, blockchain stuff, all that type of stuff. That's outside game stuff. But on features, there's tons of features inside of this next update, this test 4. So many features in test 4 that you guys will be able to play and do and all types of stuff like that. I have one more thing I want to show you. That's going to be pretty cool as well. So all this is going to be going, I got to exit out and put it inside the game. And then you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So, all right. So let's get rid of this catastrophe right here, and I'll show you in a second. Okay. So I tried again and I messed up. So I connected the wrong part to the wrong part. You will be able, you will be able to fix this on yourself. Again, you have to buy the part to do that as well. But yeah, let's get on itself. All right. So 2 things I wanted to show. Okay. One of the things I wanted to show is beds. So now beds are different. You can actually name the bed, and it tells you who bed it is if it doesn't belong to you. All right, so don't mind that right there. Engine stuff. And then we have the next thing, which is the cool part. If you want people to know this is your shit, you post it. Alright? And then you add on. So, now, it now has me as the owner of this property. I can sell it if I can clear it, and then I can, rent it out and then do all these things. So this right here allows people to know this is owned. So when you, when this is occupied, basically. So when you see this right here, you know it's occupied, and if you want to let people know, so it means people can't do certain things in this house because this is here. Also, just basically just let people know who lives there, whatever the case may be. And you can also remove it, and you can let other people claim ownership of it. So if you sell the property, sorry, my cameras keep going off. If you sell the property and all types of things like that, you can basically give it to someone else stuff. So there's multiple things that this will we're adding to this as well that you'll be able to do with ownership of the property. So this is pretty cool. There's more things. Again, if you guys want plumbing, we will add plumbing in here. So you'll be able to set up food, like dining tables. You'll be able to sit down soon as well, interact with like furniture and stuff like that. And then you can set up your kitchen. So like we were having it where you literally decorate the whole house. So you put the whole house together. I'm talking about showers, all types of stuff, like bathroom. You can put your bathroom together, all types of stuff. Eventually, in the future, we will do painting as well. We'll be able to paint the walls. Because our goal is to make sure that everybody home is different. So we wanted to make it feel like a real world economy. Everybody pitch in to build a society again, all those type of things like that. So this is what we have. There's more to come. Hopefully you like this right here. I think it's pretty cool. I think it builds more onto the economy. And yeah, if you guys got any more ideas, let us know. And in the future, we will add it in. Get ready to play the playtest for Hidden Studios, the Hidden Nation members. Prepare to play the playtest early November. All right, I'm out here.
I am the chosen one. I have been chosen to rule this planet.